Get ready for a blast from the past with Windows 12.
Signs telling Windows 12 is happening. And now we are seeing signs that telling Windows 12 is coming soon. Microsoft accidentally revealed a new Windows UI during an event. It shows for a brief duration, however, revealed several new things that Microsoft is doing with the next version of Windows.
Windows 12 is expected to arrive next year, and it will bring some new features, changes, and improvements to the Windows experience. Let's take a look at what we can expect from Windows 12.
The latest version of the Windows operating system is Windows 11, which was released in October 2021. However, in this video, we will discuss the possible features and improvements that could be included in a hypothetical Windows 12. Let's get started. Windows is the most widely used operating system in the world, with a market share of over 75%. Microsoft releases new versions of Windows every few years, with each version bringing new features, improvements, and bug fixes. Windows 10, the predecessor of Windows 11, was released in 2015 and has been Microsoft's most popular operating system to date. Therefore, it is reasonable to assume that Microsoft may continue with the same naming convention and release Windows 12 in the future. One of the significant improvements that could be included in Windows 12 is better integration with cloud services. With the increasing popularity of cloud services like Microsoft's own OneDrive, Dropbox, and Google Drive, it is essential for Windows to have better integration with these services. Windows 12 could allow users to easily access their cloud storage from within the operating system, making it easier to store, access, and share files. Another potential feature of Windows 12 could be improved security. Cybersecurity threats are becoming more sophisticated and prevalent, and it is essential for operating systems to have robust security measures in place. Windows 12 could include advanced security features like biometric authentication, improved malware protection, and more secure encryption algorithms. This can make it much harder for hackers and cybercriminals to gain unauthorized access to user data. Windows 12 could also have a revamped user interface. While the user interface of Windows 10 and Windows 11 is already quite good, there is always room for improvement. Windows 12 could include a new design language, with improved animations, icons, and typography. The Start menu could be more customizable, with the ability to add more tiles and widgets. The overall interface could be more streamlined and intuitive, making it easier for users to navigate and use the operating system. Another area where Windows 12 could improve is in terms of performance. As hardware technology improves, operating systems need to keep up with the increasing demands placed on them. Windows 12 could include optimizations for newer hardware, making it faster and more responsive. This could include better support for multi-core processors, improved memory management, and faster boot times. In terms of productivity, Windows 12 could include new features to help users get more done. For example, it could include an improved virtual desktop feature, allowing users to create multiple virtual desktops and switch between them seamlessly. It could also include better support for touchscreens, with more touch-friendly apps and gestures. Additionally, it could have better integration with Microsoft's Office suite, making it easier to create, edit, and share documents. Another potential area for improvement in Windows 12 is gaming. Windows is already the dominant platform for PC gaming, but there is always room for improvement. Windows 12 could include better support for new gaming technologies like ray tracing and variable rate shading. It could also have better optimization for different hardware configurations, making it easier for gamers to get the most out of their systems. Additionally, it could include better support for game streaming services like Microsoft's own Xbox Game Pass. Overall, Windows 12 has the potential to be a significant improvement over its predecessors. With better integration with cloud services, improved security, a revamped user interface, better performance, and new productivity and gaming features, Windows 12 could be the most comprehensive and powerful version of Windows yet. However, it's important to note that this is all speculation, as Microsoft has not announced any plans for a Windows 12 release. One potential area of improvement for Windows 12 could be in the realm of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Microsoft has been heavily investing in these areas, and it's possible that they could integrate AI and machine learning capabilities into the operating system. This could include features such as more intelligent file management, improved search capabilities, and personalized recommendations based on user behavior. Another potential area of focus for Windows 12 could be in the realm of virtual and augmented reality. Microsoft has already made significant strides in this area with their HoloLens headset and Windows Mixed Reality platform. It's possible that they could continue to develop these technologies and integrate them more deeply into the operating system. Additionally, it's likely that Microsoft will continue to prioritize security and privacy in any future version of Windows. With the increasing prevalence of cyber threats, it's essential for an operating system to provide robust security features that protect users from malicious attacks. This could include improvements to built-in security features, such as Windows Defender, as well as better integration with third-party security software. Of course, all of this is speculation at this point, and it's impossible to know for sure what Microsoft has in store for the future of Windows. However, based on their past releases and current trends in technology, it's possible to make some educated guesses about what we might see in a future version of Windows. Ultimately, whether or not Microsoft releases a Windows 12,
Windows 12 will have a new visual design that will make it look more modern and sleeker. One of the leaked screenshots showed a floating taskbar that can be moved around the screen, and a more minimalist interface with icons for time, weather, connection, battery, and search at the top. Windows 12 will also have more customization options for themes, colors, and wallpapers. Secondly, Windows 12 will have more AI-powered features that will make it smarter and more helpful. For example, Windows 12 will be able to predict what apps or shortcuts you may need next based on what you're doing on your computer, and suggest them in the Start menu. It will also remember which apps you frequently snap together and arrange them automatically for you. Windows 12 will also have better integration with Android apps, thanks to the Windows subsystem for Android that allows you to run Android apps directly on your PC. Thirdly, Windows 12 will have a different architecture that will make it more modular and flexible. Windows 12 will be composed of several components that can be updated independently, such as the core OS, the shell, the apps, and the drivers. This will make Windows 12 more adaptable to different devices and scenarios, and also reduce the size and frequency of updates. Finally, Windows 12 will have a new pricing model that will make it more affordable and accessible. Windows 12 will be free for existing Windows 10 and Windows 11 users who have compatible hardware. For new users or devices, Windows 12 will have a subscription-based model that will allow you to pay a monthly or annual fee for using the OS and its services. These are some of the main features and changes that we can expect from Windows 12. Of course, there may be more surprises and details that Microsoft will reveal in the coming months.
When Windows 12 will release. Well, Microsoft hasn't yet announced anything related to Windows 12. However, it is expected that Microsoft will release the new Windows in the fall of 2024. After Windows 8, when everyone was waiting for Windows 9, Microsoft surprised everyone and released Windows 10. Then they continued with the same operating system for some time, saying they will keep adding new features in Windows 10 instead of releasing a new Windows version. But they have suddenly released Windows 11 with a new look. So Microsoft has a habit of surprising us. Only time will tell when the next version of Windows is coming.